Okay, fine. So in the yesterday lecture, we have seen basically that what is break even point. So we have seen it is mean total cost equals to total sales. And what is total cost? It is fixed cost and variable cost equals total sales. And we have seen that fixed cost plus variable cost is a function of number of objects we are manufacturing, and this is, you can say, uh, this is the cost price of that each product, and this is equals to NCS. So this is the final form which we have derived yesterday, and we have also designed the graph. The graph is like this. Okay, and basically here it is going on. Okay, so here where the intersection is coming, we called it as a break even point. Okay, and here this blue line represents profit, or I can take the another color actually, green. Okay, okay, so this is profit and red will represent loss. Okay, so this is loss and this is profit. So that is why in real industry everyone wants to reach first break even point. In short, break even point is that money which we have invested, I want that money back first. Okay, so this is our in daily life also, our target is that whenever you invest something, your first target is whatever you have invested, at least that money should be returned back to you first. Then you will think of that profit, because after that every money which you will get, it is in the terms of profit. But before that every money is a loss for you, because you have invested suppose 20,000 rupees, you want that 20,000 rupees first back, because after that 20,000 rupees there will be profit in your system. Okay, and before that it will be a loss to a system. Okay, so everyone is clear with this? Everyone is clear? Yes or no? Okay, I think everyone is clear. So to more clear you, we will solve one question and let's see how much clear you are. Okay, so write a question. See, one thing I wanted to say that I think so many times it happens with most of the students, even with me when I was also student, it happens that from our internal feeling, we say that, yeah, I know the concept. Okay. But at the time of solving question, we are unable to solve it. Okay. We are unable to solve it. I hope this happens with most of the students. Means concept wise, we think that we know it, but while solving question, we find it difficult to that question, or we miss some points, so that sometimes that answer comes wrong, or various things happens. Okay, so when you are getting such feeling, please remember that you have not got that concept clearly. It is the direct indication. Okay, that is our just internal feeling that we got the concept very clearly. If we are not able to apply that concept on the problems, it means you don't have got the that concept very clearly. Okay, it means just some points you got it. Okay, so for this subject I'm not telling, what this specially happens with the mass transfer FM. Okay, this subject, and sometimes we feel that, oh, yeah, we got the theory well, but at the time of solving question we find it difficult. So best point at that time is revise that theory properly and see that what are the different points which you are uh, expecting that you should know from that theory. Okay, so please do follow this for most of the subject. Okay, solve the question. The annual production cost of a plant rupees 36.4 lakh, while the sum of fixed charges and general expenses are 26 lakh. What is the break even point in units of production per year if total sales, or you can say annual sales, are 72.8 lakh and product sales at rupees 520 per unit. Okay, solve this question. I will give you 2 minutes. Hello, am I audible? Hello. Yes. Okay. Okay. Solve the question. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Solve it. Today, students are looking so active. Okay. Yesterday, it seems that due to Sunday, most of the students are lazy. Today, it's okay. Okay. What is the break-even point in units of production per year if total annual sales are 72.8 lakh and product sales at rupees 520 per unit? Yes, Manasa Gangotri, correct answer. Shaunak, correct answer. Naveen, wrong answer. Yes, Rahul, it is 26 lakh. Okay, not 0.26 lakh. It is 26. Shivam, correct answer. Solve fast. This is very easy question actually. Last 1 minute. Solve it. Give fast answers. Everyone attentive that question. At least you should attempt that question, okay? Psychat wrong. Samitva wrong. Double two double 034 wrong. See, same thing is at the time of concept, everyone is saying yes. But at the time of solving question, only some students are getting the answer. I will use same formula, okay? Nothing new I will use. Same, that formula which I have given. Okay, fine. I will solve the question. See, what is given in the question? Fixed cost is 26 lakh. Production cost rupees 36.4 lakh. So what will be total cost? Fixed cost plus production cost. So it will be 26 plus 36.4. Okay. In the question they have given total sales. It is 72.8 lakh. What is total sales formula? N into CS. I have written. So it will be total sales equals to N into 520. They have given. Okay, and it is equals to 72.8. So what is the value of N you are getting? Calculate. What is the value of N? 14,000. Very good. Means if we are selling 14,000 products, how much products we are manufacturing? If we are selling 14,000 product, how much products we are 14,000 itself? Okay. So we have that production cost. Production cost formula is N into CP. So total production cost is given. How much? 36.4. So it will be 36.4 equals to N we know 14,000 into CP you can calculate. What is CP? Calculate CP. Calculate CP. Yes, 260 rupees per unit. Now you apply break even point. Break even point BP. Fixed cost plus NCP equals to NCS. So we know it is 26 into 10 to the power 5 plus N. We don't know. Okay. We want to calculate N into CP is 260 equals to N. We don't know. We have to calculate. So what is N is coming? N is coming 10,000 rupee units per year. See this solution. See, anything is difficult in that question. Still, most of the students had made a mistake. What it means, at 10,000, I will get back my money back. Okay, I will get back my money. Means when I will produce 10,001, it will be my profit. Okay. Everyone got this? Yeah, it is written directly, na? The sum of fixed charges and general expenses are 26 lakh. So it means it is a fixed charges. They have given 26. How it will be a variable cost? It is given, na? It is a fixed charges and some general expenses. That general expenses can be the transportation cost while you are transferring the equipment from one point to another. Any general expenses. It is not specified, but it is specified that it is given with the fixed cost. So why you will take it with the variable cost? Unnecessary. Okay, Anurag. Yeah, working production cost is what is production cost, Naveen? It is working capital, na? Every time that word may change, na, but the meaning is same, na. Working means which is required for the production. You should clear these points, okay? Production cost means what you will produce, the work you will do. That is no, it is 10,000 units. Okay, it is not 10,000. Okay, it is not rupees. This is the production we are doing 10,000. Is it clear to everyone? Say yes or no. Fast. Okay, once more. Okay, I will explain once more. See here. Fixed cost is given. Okay, production cost is given, so we know it is total cost is fixed cost plus production cost is nothing but a working capital, so it is coming 26 plus 36.4. Total sales, how much money you are earning from total sales, it is given 72.8 lakh. So we know total sales is n number of products you will produce and the cost of each product, that will give you total sales. So you have total sales and the cost of each equipment. So n is the 14,000 units you have sold. Okay. So the number of units sold, obviously that number of uh, products you have produced. Okay. So it will be production cost is going into CP. So production cost they have given 36.4. 14,000 we have calculated. So you will get CP. At break even point, we know that total cost equals to total sale. This is the formula that we have just derived. This is the derivation. So we have used directly this. So what is the meaning of this 10,000? Means at 10,000, we will get back your all money. Okay, at 10,000 equipment means when you will produce 10,001, That equipment will be your profit. Okay, so that is why every industry wants to first reach to the break even point. I have a problem for why we don't use number of products in LHS. Yeah, it is there, no LHS. What is this? This is LHS. This is LHS. And this is RHS. Both we are using N. Yes, this industry is in profit. Okay, right. Next question. The total annual sales cost rupees 86 lakh and product sales at 601 rupees per unit. Annual production cost of plant is 30.2 lakh. Fixed charges for this industry is 26.8 lakh. Calculate the break even point in unit of production per year. Okay, calculate it. 601. It is 601. Okay. Solve fast. Okay, so many students are getting answer 6873. I don't know what is the correct answer. We will solve. Other students solve fast. Double two triple zero five. What is your name? Double two triple zero five. Double two triple zero five. What is your name? So you are doing my classes second time. Srijan. Srijan. Okay. See, total cost equals to total fixed capital plus working capital. So it is clearly mentioned that production cost is 29.3 and fixed charges are annual production cost is 30.2 and fixed charges are 26.8. Okay, so they have measured that total sales. So we can write that NCS equals to how much? 86 lakh. Okay, and CS is given 601. So what is the value of N you are getting from here? CS is given 601. So N value is, tell me fast, 14310. Okay, 14310. Now we can calculate NCP equals to, what is CP here? 30.2. Okay, so N we know, so CP will come. What is the CP value is coming? 211. Okay, fine. Now you can apply the break-even point. Okay, so break-even point will be N into 211 equals to N into 601. And here what we will plus fixed charges 26.8. Okay, so it is in lakh actually. Okay, so convert that into the terms. Okay, so it will be in lakh means 10 to the power 5. So, and how much N is coming? 6872. So correct answer will be 6873. Okay. Aparva Chaudhary, no. Design part will start after 2-3 days. Okay, at least 2 days. There is no significance. I'm just writing it. Okay, there is no significance of writing this total cost. So everyone got the answer 6873. Everyone is comfortable now. Everyone is comfortable. Yes or no? Okay. I think now. Right, next question. Capital cost of pipeline of toxic material is estimated as 3d to the power 1.5 rupees per meter, where d is the diameter. The annual maintenance cost is estimated as 10% of the total capital cost. Annual operating cost of the pipe is given as 3 into 10 to the power 15 upon d to the power 5 rupees per meter year. Estimate the most economic pipe diameter based on the least annual cost. Okay, solve this question. Yes, it is in the power 15. 15, okay, and this is 1.5. Estimates the most economic pipe diameter based on the least annual cost. Shaunak, wrong. Solve that question. What is your name? Soumyajit. Wrong answer. Wrong. Okay. You will solve this. So total cost will be 3d to the power 1.5 plus it is given that where d is the pipe diameter in mm, the annual maintenance cost is estimated at 10% of the total capital cost. So what is the total capital cost? What will be the total capital cost? 0.10 into 3d 1.5 into 10. Okay. Plus what will be the value here? Estimate the most, and annual operating cost is 3 into 10 to the power 15 upon d to the power 5 into 10. This is the total cost. So what we want? We want the optimum diameter. Okay. So what we will do? We will just differentiate this dct by d. Okay, so after differentiating, okay, after differentiating, we will get D equals to 310 mm. Okay, then it is mentioned in the, okay, sorry, I have done one mistake in the question. Okay, it is given, actually it is 10 years. Okay, one data I have left to tell you. Okay, fine, that estimated period is of 10 years. Okay, sorry for that, I have left that data. Estimated period is of 10 years. Okay, now you can see. Okay, this data I have missed, that's why so many students are asking why 10. Okay, due to this data I missed actually. Now it's comfortable for all. Okay, just write that. Okay, I will repeat. Okay, I will repeat this. Capital cost of pipeline of toxic material estimated as this 3d to the power 1.5, where d is the diameter. Okay, the annual maintenance cost is the annual maintenance cost is estimated as 10% of the total capital cost. So annual maintenance is 10% of the total capital cost. So what is total capital cost? 3D into 1.5. Okay, so annual operating cost of the pipe is given this. Estimate the most economic parameter based on the least annual cost. Okay, so we can find the total cost. So what is total cost? This is the fixed. This much amount of money we want, and the rate of this is an annual maintenance charge, so it is for a period of 10 years. So this much of total money we want, and this is the operating cost. So for 10 years this is the operating cost. Okay, units can be meter, leave it that part. Okay, after differentiating you will get 310. Because that total cost period is for 10 years na. Okay, total cost of this 3d into the 1.5, this is for a period of 10 years. Okay, see, capital cost of pipeline. See, it is written capital cost of pipeline. So you will be requiring capital cost, that is the fixed cost. So for how much year you will requiring that fixed cost? For a period of 10 years. Na? So that is why 3d to the 1.5. This is a period of 10 years. That is why we are taking all the terms for 10 years. Okay. Yes, this is a question of optimization. Yeah, this is a question of optimization. I just put so that you think. Okay. Some students are thinking in the way of break even point. That's why I put this question in between. Yeah, some are getting d equals to 313. It's okay. Okay. So this is a question of optimization. Everyone got this? Units, don't worry. Okay. They have not asked the unit. I have just put that. Okay. Why do we add annual operation cost? Because we want it, na? Total cost. You want a optimum diameter, means you want a total cost for that. You have to add. Okay, everyone got this point? Yes or no? Write in the comment section. Everyone got this? Why we are taking 10 here? Okay, 10 is for 10 years. Actually, this is my mistake. I have forgot to tell you that estimated period is of 10 years. Okay, everyone got this? Yes or no? Okay, okay, fine. Wait 1 minute. I will give you one question. Hmm. Write the question. A plant manufactures a plant manufactures compressors at the rate of n units per day. The daily fixed charges are rupees 20,000 and the variable cost per compressor is rupees 500 plus zero point 0.2 n to the power 1.3. The selling price the selling price per compressor is rupees 1000. Calculate the number of compressors to be manufactured in order to maximize the daily profit. Okay, solve this question. Hartika, it is approximately the answer is between 310 and 313. Okay, so we have to calculate the optimum diameter. Okay, so solve this question. This is a gate question. So I will read the question. The plant manufactures compressor at the rate of n units per day. The daily fixed charges are rupees 20,000 and the variable cost per compressor is rupees 500. okay, plus 0.2 n to the power 1.3. The selling price per compressor is rupees 1000. Calculate the number of compressor to be manufactured in order to maximize the daily profit. Yes, Omnijit, correct answer. Saket, correct answer. Saikat, correct. Solve it fast. Solve it. Ritik, correct. 21591, correct. Chandana, correct. Priyanka, correct. Shubham, correct. Almost everyone is getting correct answer. Yeah. So we will solve that question. So we know that what is profit formula? Total sales minus total cost. So what is total sales? 1000 into n. What is total cost? 20,000 plus 500 plus 0.2 n to the power 1.3 into n, bracket close. So this is profit. So you want to maximize. So when you want to maximize or minimize, what we do? We just differentiate this dp by dn. That's it. Okay. So when you solve this, n is coming 216.54. So obviously the answer will be 217. Got it, everybody? Everyone got this? Yes or no? Everyone, everyone reply. Okay, the same question. Calculate break-even point. Calculate it. Break-even point. Calculate break-even point. Solve fast. I don't have answer, okay? I will just write the equation. We will see what is the answer. In gate, they have asked only one first part, okay? Profit. This is a gate question, but they have asked only first part. Second part, just I am giving for to you for practice. Solve it fast. Okay. So what will be that? Total sales equals to total cost. So what is total sales? Total sales will be 1000 into n. What will be total cost? 20,000 plus 500 plus 0.2 n to the power 1.3 multiplied by n. So when you will solve this equation, I know some complicated equation will come. Okay. So actually earlier gate calculators are allowed. So in that you can solve it. So I think answer is coming 42.2. Okay. Just see that for 42.2 this equation is satisfied or not. Okay, so you can, yes, better you can see for 43. Yeah, just check it 43, because some students are, every student is giving some different answer, but I think it is 43. You can just cross verify. Okay, it is satisfied. Okay, fine. So this is not a gate question. Uh, okay, I have solved by using calculator. Okay, so don't worry. Just in calculator, there is an option. You can solve any equation. Okay, that ES calculator. Okay. Otherwise, it will take so much time to solve this. Okay. So can we move forward? Everyone is comfortable? Yes, you have to solve it by iterations and all that. Okay, so don't worry. Main thing is if you have written this equation correctly, it's okay. Okay. If you have written this equation correctly, it's okay. So if question will come, then equation will be easy this time. Okay. But at that time, this is a gate question of, I don't know, I think 12 or 13 something. So at that time, calculators are allowed. So you can solve it. And even though that second part is not in the gate examination, okay, only they have asked the first part. Second part just for trial. Okay. So everyone is comfortable now? Yes or no? Have a thumbs up. बोलो हाँ कि ना. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? बोलो हाँ कि ना. Okay. Okay, next question we will solve. I don't know about other students. Okay, I think how many students are there in the class? 67 students. And that same some 10 to 15 students are there uh, which give the reply. Okay, I want everyone should give the reply. Okay, at least for this time. Those who are in the mobile also. Okay, because it's 1 hour. So give it reply. You are getting all the points or not? Getting yes or no? Samvitva model. You have to mass transfer. Yeah, mass transfer subject will take, na faculty will take. No, design part is not from tomorrow. There is still time. Okay, at least. When I say समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, some students are asking, sir class कितने बजे तक है? Means that class कितने बजे तक है बताऊंगा, तब you will give your answer. हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Okay, next part we will do. Okay, we will do class up to 10 o'clock. Is it? करते हैं 10 बजे तक मैराथन. Sunday we take class na at Sunday of 10 hours. Okay. डेटा खत्म हो जाएगा. अरे नहीं होता खत्म. धासु सर. Who is धासु सर? टू वे रखा करो. वहीं पे बैठे बैठे स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ देखते रहोगे, सुनते रहोगे. Okay. Dhasu sir is crazy. I don't know is Dhasu. Okay, that Dhasu sir which shouts so much in the online lecture. I think that Mahakal. Yeah, yeah. I have also seen that sir. बस लगा दो क्वेश्चन, ठोक दीजिए। ओके, यही क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जाम में। चलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो गया। ओके, 2 minutes ब्रेक इज इनफ टू मोटिवेट यू, otherwise that same monotonous sound and all it makes boring the class, okay, which I don't want. Okay, right, a batch reactor produces 1 into 10 to the power 5 kg of a product per year. The total batch time in hours of the reactor is k under root of pb, where pb is the product per batch in kg and k equals to 1 h under root of kg. The operating cost of the reactor is rupees 200 per hour. The total annual fixed charge are rupees 340 into PV, and the annual raw material cost is rupees 2 into 10 to the power 6. The optimum size in kg of each batch. Okay, so solve this question. Yes, k equals to 1 hour under root of kg. Okay, so in the meantime, those who have any doubt can ask. Okay. Solve it. Aditya, what doubt you have actual? Aditya, what is your doubt? The power in numerator and denominator, how to decide? The power in numerator is basically how much year we are going forward, and the power in denominator is how much year we are coming backward. Okay, so that n may or may not be same. Okay, so always remember that power of n in the annuity is how much year we are going forward, and denominator will tell how much year we are coming back. Okay, just write it and again solve that question. Okay, so think in terms of how much year we are going forward and how much year we are coming back is the denominator. Okay, Aditya Saha. Others solve the question. 952. I think correct answer. I'm not sure. Yes, means numerator will decide that how much year we are getting the interest. That is the thing. So means how much year you are going forward for the interest. Okay. Fast, only one student, Shaunak, has given the answer. Others fast. What are you doing? If anyone has any doubt, can ask. Okay. Meantime. Am I audible or not? Yes. Then give answers. Last 2 minutes. Fast. Anurag Gupta, wrong answer. Only one student got the answer, Shaunak. Others fast. So fast. Solve it. So if you see in the world, most of the countries, second lockdown is going on. Okay. So be safe. Okay, most of the European and other countries are going for a second lockdown. Hope this will not happen in India. Aditya Sa, when it is going to open? Okay, I think enough time is given. We will solve that question. This is the, I think, longest vacations, huh? From direct Holi to Diwali. Hmm? Longest vacation. Okay, we will see. So for 1 year, we will be calculating everything. Okay, so production capacity equals to, it is given 10 to the power 5 kg. So we can calculate the number of batches, wants number of batches. So it will be 10 to the power 5 upon PV. So if you see the units of 10 to the power 5, it is kg product. Okay. And what is the unit of PV? It is batch upon product kg. So it will cancel it out. You will be getting this one values batch. So batch time is given next. Batch time. So it will be given 1 into 10 to the that value same 10 to the power 5 upon PB, and batch time is K under root of PB. Okay, so if you solve this, you will be getting 10 to the power 5 into K, and this will cancel. So under root of PB will come. Okay. So operating cost is given. Operating cost. So that is 200 per hour. So you can just multiply this with total cost of production. Total cost of production. So this is the total batch time. So just multiply 10 to the power 5 into K upon under root of PB into 200. Okay. So this is the total cost you are getting. Annual fixed charges are given. Annual fixed charges. So that is 340 rupees. Okay. PB. And annual raw material also given. Annual raw material. So it will be 2 into 10 to the power 6 rupees. Okay. So now you can, similarly, we have done the question of that diameter. You can just put the value of T equals to 2 into 10 to the power 6 plus 340 into PB plus K into how much it is, 200 into 10 to the power 5 upon under root of PB. So what exactly we want to calculate? PB. So just differentiate this del T by del, okay, P. So after differentiating, you will be getting PB equals to, so I think this is the answer so many students are writing. So 952 kg. Now you can see the solution. Okay, so this is somewhat typical. I will not say that this is a easy question. Okay. So just write it once by seeing the solution, those who are confused, and after class again solve it on your own. Okay, if any difficulty, yeah, I have put Saket. Initially, I have put. Okay, K is given directly. It is one now. So you just put it one there. K equals to one. It is given. See 340 PB. Cycle. It is given in the question. The total annual fixed charges are 340 PB. Everything is given except this total cost of production. Everything lies here. It is we have to calculate. This is directly given, first part. This is directly given, second part. This third part we have to calculate. For that we have to do such much of calculation. Okay. So this is a similar question. That is the diameter which we have done. Okay, and both are gate questions. Okay, Saikat. Okay, this is a question. Take a snapshot. Write it on your copy. Okay. It is a good question. Okay, see the solution. Okay, everyone is comfortable? Yes or no? बोलो हाँ कि ना. Batch time explain करना है. Okay, I will explain once again. See, production capacity they have given 10 to the power 5 kg. Unit of PB they have given. So by adjusting the value of PB, you will get 10 to the power 5 batch you want. Okay, this much number of batches you want. So batch time they have given again K into under root of time. So this much of batch time will be needing. Okay, total batch time. Okay, so sorry, total cost of production we have to calculate because operating cost is given 200 per hour. Okay, so we have calculated batch time in hour. Okay, so that is why total cost of production this you are getting. Okay. बोलो समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? This is a gate question. Okay, so this is somewhat typical. Okay, framing the equation is very difficult. Okay, that's why I told if directly equation is given, this is again it is a optimization question. Okay, so basically if you see that sometimes they may give you direct equation, then that is your luck factor. Okay, every time the optimization question is of 2 marks that we have calculated in the yesterday class, f1 f2 x and y, they are also of 2 marks. this is also of 2 marks. Okay, but here you have to frame the equation. In that you have given direct equation. So this is somewhat you can say luck, but that is easy for all. Okay, you don't see. You see, if you are doing it properly, all the things, so it will be good that if paper is hard. Okay, seriously, it is good that if paper is hard. Okay, because that is very important if paper is hard, because only then you can solve the questions, and others who have just mug up the formulas were unable to solve the question. Okay, if you see GATE 2015 year, that is the one of the toughest paper. Okay, so I have given that paper. Okay, so in that I have a benefit that the question paper is hard. Okay, so that who has done a good study, so it will benefit you. Okay, because most of the student will come under pressure and they will do a silly mistakes and they will lose their mark. Okay, GATE 2015, it is the one of the toughest paper. Okay, means when I have given paper, I thought that I will be not be clearing the cutoff mark also. Okay, but when I came from out of the center, I found that the paper was so tough for all. Okay, so that is the thing. So it will give you uh, the thing that if paper is hard, but the bad luck for me is that in the FT I have scored only 1 mark. Okay, so that is the positive thing for most of the students. Okay, but I have scored 1 mark in FT only. Okay, okay, so next question we will see now. A plant a plant produces phenol. The variable cost in rupees per ton of phenol is related to the plant capacity P in tons per day as 45,000 plus 5P. The fixed charges are rupees 1 lakh per day. The selling price of phenol is rupees 50,000 per ton. Question: the optimal plant capacity for minimum cost per ton of phenol. Second question: the break-even capacity in tons per day. Okay, solve this question. Yes, Chandana. Okay, so solve this question. So again, you have to frame the equation. So think on it. Okay. No. Calculate the optimal plant capacity for minimum cost per ton of phenol. Solve it fast. I think Anurag, you have calculated correctly. I don't know. We will see. Solve fast. Solve fast. 211457. I think your answer is correct. Shaunak, you are correct. Yeah, Shaunak. Saket, correct. See, I am giving time, so I am assuming that you are attempting that question. Okay, don't sit idle. It is for you, okay? I can solve it question in 1 minute, okay, and complete the syllabus as soon as possible. But that I don't want. I want a selected question, okay? But you should please attempt that question. So it will help you in the examination also how to frame that, okay? We will see what is the answer. Whatever answer you are coming, please write in the chat section. Framing equation is very much important, okay? So today is our which class? Fourth class, na? Fourth one, okay. Last 1 minute. Okay, we will solve the question. So we want CT. What is the unit CT we want? Cost per ton. Okay, they have mentioned here. See, cost per ton. Okay, cost per ton. So it will be equals to fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay. So what is fixed cost? 10 to the power 5. Plus what is variable cost? 45,000. Okay. It is 45,000 plus 5p. But if you see here, it is fixed charges is 1 lakh per day. Okay, so we want in ton. Okay, so that is why you have to divide with p. Okay, now the equation is CT. So what you want? Optimum. Okay, now you want optimum, so just differentiate it. Now it's everyone can do. Main thing is forming this equation. Okay, minus 10 to the power 5 by p square plus 0 plus 5. Okay, so here p will come 141.42. Okay, everyone got this? Everyone got this or not? Yes or no? 10 to the power, see, 10 to the power 5 is What is 10 to the power 5? Unit is given rupees per day. And what is the unit of P? Ton per day. So it will be day by ton. So day will cancel. Okay. So that is why rupees per ton, cost per ton. And we want final answer in cost per ton. That is why. Okay. Because we have to maintain the consistency of unit. Na? You can't add 2 meter plus 2 centimeter equals to 4. Okay. Okay. Now solve the second part. Second part solve. Solve fast. So break even point. Total sales equals to total cost. Total cost. So what is total sales? 50,000 P. We know it is a function of P. It is 1 lakh. It is fixed charges plus 45,000 plus 5P into P. This is our formula of break even that we have seen. So one quadratic equation will come. So it is P equals to 979 and 20 will come. Okay. So correct answer is 20 because always we want a minimum value. Okay. Okay, everyone got this? Everyone got this? Yes or no? Unit of P is, Ritik, it is tons per day. Okay. Physical significance of these two values. Okay. Physical significance of two values is graph is going like this. Okay. Basically, wait, I will draw. Somewhat it is like going like this. Again, it is coming like this. Here it is 20. Here it is another 979. So we have to ignore this. Okay. First we want. ओके बोलो हाँ कि ना समझ में आया कि नहीं आया सबको बोलो यस और नो write in the show some enthusiasm in the chat section at least see is it possible means every time there is some mathematical limitations okay Saket there are mathematical limitations. So this is mathematically if it is coming infinity, it doesn't mean that infinity means there are so many points. It just means that we don't know. Okay, the real meaning of infinity is like this. So it is a mathematical limitation of this. Okay. ओके, समझ में आया कि नहीं आया सबको? All are cleared with the break-even point optimization. Now we have seen that how the question will come in the combination of break-even point and optimization. Okay, both points are basically connected, optimization and break-even point. Okay, you can expect means both are same actually. Okay, you can do just optimization, profit, loss, break-even point, all are interconnected. Okay, सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Everyone got this point or not? Okay. Yes. One means you can say one thing, important thing you can maintain in while solving the questions of optimization, break even point, and all that, especially in optimization, that uh, you have to maintain the unit consistency. If you maintain the unit consistency in optimization, okay, you will be getting a right answer. Okay, you will be getting a right answer. I told 220090. Significance is that you are getting a 2 points. At 2 points, you will be getting a optimization point. But we need always a least point, because after the optimization point we have a profit. So this is just a mathematical limitation. Okay. It may be that your production cost is increasing. Okay, 229990. Ritik, yes. Okay. Let me. Mm, yes, Ritik, you are right. Okay. Full problem you want. Okay. See this problem. 229990. Okay. It is mentioned, na Ritik? Plant capacity as this tons per day. Okay. Everyone is comfortable now? Yes or no? In the everyone is comfortable with the optimization point and the break even point? Just write in the chat section yes or no, हाँ कि ना. समझ में आया सबको? So are you enjoying session? It's okay. Speed is okay. Everything is fine. Okay. So here we complete the topic of break even point and this point. What? Optimization. Okay. So this is the topic which we have completed here. Okay. So wait, I think one question I can give you two. Okay, fine. So in the tomorrow lecture, I know that so many students becomes hectic. Okay, so we don't want to move fast. So tomorrow we will be seeing the topic payback period. Okay, payback period, and also we will see the NPV. Okay, net present value, and also we are going to see ROR, rate of return. Okay, so these topics we are going to see tomorrow. I know morning you have also class, in college you have also time, so don't worry about the syllabus. We will complete this in this week. Okay, so once this is completed, I will ensure you that you will be enjoying my some designing part. Okay, okay, you will be for sure enjoying my designing section. Okay, yeah, profitability analysis, that is the thing, NPV and all that. Okay, it comes under profitability analysis. Okay, so now it feels good when I say that class is up to 8:30 and give you time. Okay, so today's class is over. Okay, okay, so if anyone has doubt can ask. Okay, related to anything, only about gate. Batch reactor problem, answer is 952. Udav. Okay, you can take a snapshot of this.